The Department of Education or DepEd recorded 20.5 million students that have already enrolled for the school year 2024-2025. DepEd expects this number to increase further as there are still students enrolling up to now according to Education Secretary Juan Edgardo Sonny Angara.
Well, usually naman continuous enrollment pa rin yan eh. Karamihan dyan nag-enroll 3 to 4 weeks after pasukan at bukas pa yan until September actually.
In relation to this, Secretary Angara mentioned that while the first day of school classes nationwide was generally okay, he is saddened that some schools were unable to start classes today.
Okay, pero nalungkot nga ako na kailangan pa rin ipagpaliban yung pasukan dun sa ibang lugar, pero naiintindihan natin yun dahil malakas pa rin yung ulan kanina.
More than 800 schools in the country postponed the first day of classes today, affecting over 800,000 students.
Maliit lang kasi yun wala pang siguro wala pang 2% of the whole country. So ibig sabihin yung 98% of schools nagbukas.
As a response, DepEd is considering to have makeup classes or Saturday classes to compensate for the missed school days.
Usually ganun naman yun di ba? Kailangan pagka na-miss yung weekday, sa weekend mag-makeup.
The agency also plans to institutionalize blended learning, seeing it as a solution to address learning loss among students.
Well, definitely, I think option natin yun. Yung gandang option para hindi yung learning loss na tinatawag o yung pagkawala ng mga bata sa kanilang sa kanilang edukasyon ay hindi maging grabe. Pagka may ganong disaster sa kuna, meron tayong magandang sistema sa blended learning. At ipaprioritize natin yung mga schools na may shortages talaga.
Jed Meresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.